2 minutes homemade halva. I do have sunflower seeds, a little bit of sesame seeds, sesame oil seeds, but this one is from toasted seeds. Notice the dark color, not the light color. I do have crystallized honey, or you can use regular honey, but this one is going to just make it harder, the halva piece. I'm going to use a coffee grinder. You need to grind it very, very finely. You can use a blender if you want, but it has to be very fine. So I'm going to do just really a very small portion. This is going to be 3 tablespoons seeds. Then maybe 1, just a little bit, not full, of sesame seed. This kind of balancing the taste, so it doesn't taste really just seeds. So that's what the sesame part is doing. It's blended very, very finely. That's perhaps this is the important part. If it's not fine, it's not going to stick together well. You can just scoop the rest. Then I will say, depends on the taste, maybe this much honey and about 1 teaspoon of this oil. Oil doesn't make it oily, but it also adds a burnt taste, which personally I do like. Then let's just mix this very, very well. When mixing, press down on it with force. That's what's going to make it more sticky together. If it doesn't stick properly, add more oil, more sugar, or just grind it much finer. So once you get that result, again, this is one hand operation. If you don't want to get too much sugar intake, you can use a sweetener. It works just as well. Just replace the honey, and oil should make it stick together pretty nicely. All I can say is that this has nothing to do with the standard, or should I say rather substandard, commercial halva that you can buy in stores. In Europe, I guess, North America, perhaps Eastern Orient is going to be different, Middle Orient. Maybe they know how to do the real halva, but what you find in stores, that one that's kind of vanilla or sometimes with cocoa, and it's full of glucose and it's really sticky on your feet. It's just, I could never keep eating that commercial halva. This one, it's so much different, and it just tastes much more natural, and it's actually really indeed natural. It's not like commercial one.